I'm in Dr. Julian's surgery today to have a deep plane facelift, neck lift, chin implant, upper eyelid surgery. Research is part of what I do in my work, so I'm quite thorough. I came across Dr. Julian De Silva. I really looked into him and looked into his approach to surgery. I wanted something natural. Dr. Julian stood out for me. He is very meticulous in his work. He was definitely the surgeon I came down to my number one. We got on very well. He's very easy to talk to, and he'll talk you through and make you feel confident, which is why I'm here today. By the time I walked through the door and I was met with the staff, all those little niggles just disappeared.